the ongoing partnership between Theatr Gydweithredol Troedyrhiw and yr Wyl Drama, Theatr Felyn Fach have also partnered up with the Lolfa Press to present a special evening with the author Caryl Lewis on Thursday the 3rd of November at 7:30 p.m. to celebrate her recent triple success winning the Welsh Language Welsh Book of the Year competition with her novel Y Bwthyn. Caryl also won the fiction category and was awarded the Welsh Language People's Choice Award sponsored by Golwg 360. To recognise her achievements, Theatr Felyn Fach will host an evening of short readings and performances portrayed by Cwmni Actorion Theatr Felyn Fach. She will also launch her latest publication, Y Gwreiddyn, which is a collection of short stories during the evening, and signed copies will be available to purchase. The following evening, Friday the 4th of November at 7:30 p.m, Theatr Felyn Fach will present a concert to celebrate local businessman and creator of Tregroes Waffles, Kees Hwysman's triumph this year at the National Eisteddfod in Monmouthshire, where he won the coveted Blue Ribbon Prize. Joining Kees will be talented tenor and local lad from Pontry de Groes, Robin Lynn Evans, and Cwman Male Voice Choir, a choir that Kees has been a member of for many years. The MC for the evening is John Jones Llanllwni, or John Clocks as he is best known to most. Tickets for both of these events are available from the box office on 01570 470 697 or go online to theatrfelynfach.wales.